Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. In the present criminal miscellaneous petition, the petitioner has prayed for quashing the entire criminal proceedings, including the order dated 21/3/2012, passed by the learned judicial magistrate Godda in Poraiyahat, PS case number 76 of 2010, corresponding to GR case number 391 of 2010, whereby and whereunder cognizance has been taken for the offence under sections 419, 420, 467, 468 and 471 of the Indian Penal Code (IPC). The prosecution story, as would appear from the first information report, instituted on the basis of a written complaint by one Ramchandra Paswan, Sub-Divisional Officer Godda, is that, based on a news item published in daily newspaper Hindustan on 6/1/2010, an inquiry committee was constituted to ascertain the relevant document available to the petitioner with respect to the distribution of seeds to the beneficiaries. It has been alleged that since the inquiry report was not made available, the informant personally conducted an inquiry in which he had found irregularities in the distribution of seeds to the extent that names of some dead persons were mentioned in the distribution chart, and some persons had stated that they had received less quality of seeds than what has been shown in the distribution chart. It was also apprehended that in the villages of other panchayats the same situation may be prevalent. After investigation, charge sheet was submitted against the petitioner, and subsequent thereto, wide order dated 21/3/2012, the learned judicial magistrate Godda was pleased to take cognizance for the offence punishable under section 419, 420, 467, 468 and 471 of the Indian Penal Code against the petitioner. Learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner was the then block agricultural officer and he had no role in the distribution of seeds to the panchayats. He submits that there is no allegation of misappropriation of any fund. Rather, the only allegation so far as the petitioner is concerned is with respect to non-distribution of seeds to the beneficiaries. He has further submitted that, in fact, wide office order dated 5/12/2009 issued by the block office Poraiyahat Panchayat Sevaks and the Halka Karamcharis were directed to identify the beneficiaries and thereafter obtain the seeds from the block agricultural officer for distribution, and in fact the petitioner, in terms of the said office order dated 5/12/2009, has no role in distribution of the seeds. The Learned Counsel further has referred to the decision rendered by this court in the case of Jai Jyoti Samanta versus State of Jharkhand, reported in 2013. Stop.